What up, loves? It's your girl Bambee, and I'm coming at y'all with a cooking video. Today we're going to be making my tomato soup. Right now I am cutting up some fresh carrots that I have washed. Usually I use canned carrots because it's just more convenient, but since I had these in the refrigerator, I decided to cut these up instead of getting canned. As you can see, I'm now cutting up a yellow onion. I'm going to do the whole onion. I decided I wanted to do cooking videos on my channel. You know, I want to give y'all all the decades makeup and stuff, but I also want to show y'all my love for cooking. So that's why I started off with my tomato soup. Don't forget to clean up your mess. Here is the onions and carrots all cut up. I'll be using canned tomatoes because that's what I normally use, but you can roast tomatoes, you can roast your carrots, you can roast your onion if you want to, but canned is just so much easier and convenient. Now I'm just sauteing my carrots and onions. You can still roast these if you like, but I like to saute them in a pot. It's a little bit more convenient. Now I'm just seasoning up the carrot and onion. I made sure the onion is starting to get translucent before adding my seasonings. You can add whatever seasonings you like. It's your soup, your world. Now I'm sauteing everything together. As you can see, the onion is getting translucent. Now we're about to add a little bit of garlic. Well, a lot of bit of garlic. Now saute all that together. Now I'm adding 3 out of the 4 cans that I showed y'all earlier. Now let's combine everything together and bring it to a boil. Now I'm adding my seasonings. You can use whatever you want. These are the ones I'm using. You know, flavor it to taste. This is your soup, so you have to enjoy it, but these are the seasonings that I decided to use. Sometimes I switch it up a little bit. Sometimes I don't. Now we're stirring everything together. Sorry I keep saying now, but you know, it just works. After stirring everything together, I'm adding 3 chicken bouillon cubes. You can omit this if you want it to be vegetarian or vegan. I'm covering the pot and letting it cook for 20 minutes. So it should look like this after the 20 minutes. And I'm going to stir it one more time. Now I carefully put it in the blender to blend. I put it on the highest setting, and then I'm going to switch to the lowest setting. After blending it, I'm transferring it back into the pot. Now I'm adding the last can of tomatoes because I like mine a little chunky. Now I'm just adding a little bit more Italian seasoning and black pepper. And I'm also adding thyme into it. Stir it all up so it can be combined. You can omit this step as well, but I'm adding heavy whipping cream and now stirring it all together. Now let's plate up our soup. You can serve this with a grilled cheese. And there you go. That's my tomato soup. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.